How's it going, everybody? Quick video on the SWIFTGAZE Ram holder kit for 5th gen Rams, but the newer ones, not the classic body style. Here's the instructions. Comes with everything you'll need. Little plastic screws, and I don't know what this one's for. Just little rubber mats, part of the actual Ram mount. Oh, not Ram mount, but the mount. And then the holder with the magnet comes with some rings in case you don't have one. A little arm swivel thing, some cleaners, and the actual little wrench, and then the actual holder itself. So yeah, you're gonna get, there's 2 screws in here. You can't really see the one on the right, but there's one right there and one right there. Just Phillip heads. Take those out. Okay, once you get the screws out, just peel back the protective plastic on the double-sided tape, and then what I did is I put one of the screws, I'll make sure the tabs are going to the back. I put one of the screws, the one in the back over there, first, and then just screwed it in there a bit. And then now I'm gonna use this other one that goes in through this hole. Well, I can't do it with one hand, but yeah, I got the screw in there already, and then I'm just gonna feel around till it starts to tighten. Okay, once you have it installed, you know it's on there pretty tight. You will get your little arm. Oh wait, yeah, so for this you can move it around wherever you want, and it's gonna have a little Allen bolt in there that's connected to a nut that goes underneath this groove that has like ridges, so it doesn't let the nut turn, and that's how you can tighten it. So yeah, but you'll put your this on there. And then this is going to be the other side. This is going to be the one that goes to the actual magnet mount. So I'll just put that in there too. Kind of hard doing it with one hand. Yeah, once you get it in there, tighten them up. Obviously to wherever you want it, so I'm gonna do closer to me. Yeah. Adjust it to however you may like, to your liking. Yeah, it's pretty good. I really like this one, but it covers my vent, and I live in Las Vegas, so it's been 120, 115. It's just too damn hot, so getting rid of this one and putting this new one on. So that's much sturdier too. So but yeah, so then that goes like that, and then from here you'll take off this little plastic nut thing. So we'll go on first, and then the actual mount, and then just tighten it back up. Let me see, there we go. It's crazy how everything else is all metal. Like this is all like some kind of metal, or an alloy or something, but metal everywhere. But this plastic nut thing is, well, plastic. It's freaking plastic for whatever reason. So hold on, let me get rid of this one. So we can just, there we go, pull it out. Yeah, so just this one. And you have obviously more adjustability there. But yeah, simple as that. Tighten the screw on the top of the ball, or the other one. And I really like this one because it's not that expensive compared to like Ram mounts and stuff like that. Those are freaking so expensive. And this is pretty much the same thing. It looks the same. Yeah, it's all made out of good materials, except for that plastic thing, whatever. But yeah, there we go. Nice and tight. I'll obviously put this one to where I want it, but I don't know what the hell this little mat is for. Comes with this little rubber mat. Replaces the original one. I forgot to mention that. And this one goes on top. But I don't know what the hell this is supposed to do. Yeah, my stupid phone overheated, and that's with my windows open and everything. But yeah, this is the SWIFTGAZE Ram holder kit. You know, pretty sturdy. See if I can put my phone on there. Holds onto the phone real well. At least I can't show you guys, but maybe with just my case, this isn't gonna have the weight on there. But yeah. So well, this is just a little bit of water that I put on the phone so it cooled down a bit. But yeah, it's on there. You know. Pretty strong magnet. And in case you don't have any MagSafe compatible things or whatever, it comes with 2 rings. You just put them on your case or whatever, and that's that. I didn't use these because I figured the screws would be enough. But yeah, that's the SWIFTGAZE Ram holder kit for newer body Rams.